Taking a look at this packable rainwear from COOFANDY, and it comes in this nice lockable bag, so you could probably travel with it in that bag. It's a lightweight, breathable material. Well, maybe, yeah, it's a kind of a woven material. Now this one is in a large size, and you can see that it's still very small, compact. Comes with a little stuff sack for packing it along on an outdoor trip. You've got a drawstring around the waist, got a drawstring around the neck, nice zipper. The sleeves have elastic on them at the wrists. The jacket has the drawstring, and it's a zip open the front. There's also some pockets up front that are covered. Pretty nice sized pockets. Good stitching. I've got it in the blue color. I want to thank COOFANDY for sending us this one to check out. We're still in our rainy season here, so this one will get some use. Then when we travel, I will just going to go ahead and stuff it into this little sack. And when we travel, I'll be carrying it along in this little sack. And this is so much smaller than my last raincoat. And this, I'm only using 2 thumbs to get it in here. I'm not even really wrestling it in here. So this material is definitely thinner than anything I've used. And you know, it'll have an insulating layer, but then a waterproof layer as well. That's pretty small for a large jacket. It's a little bit bigger than a can of soda. Again, thanks to COOFANDY for sending us this one. Can't wait to check it out in the rain. Hope this helps.